Before I go on, hit subscribe now. Moments like this rarely get shared twice. Wait, what if I told you a philosophy that started over 2,000 years ago could make your life calmer, stronger, and more focused today? That philosophy is Stoicism. And it's not about being emotionless or cold. It's about learning how to stay steady when life gets difficult. In today's world, everything moves fast. News, social media, pressure, stress. Many people feel overwhelmed. But the Stoics taught a simple rule that still works today. Focus on what you can control. Let go of what you can't. Think about it. You can't control what people say about you. You can't control the past. You can't control every problem that appears. But you can control your thoughts. You can control your actions. And you can control how you respond. This idea was taught by the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, who ruled one of the most powerful empires in history. Even with all that power, he reminded himself daily, control your mind, not the world. Another Stoic teacher, Epictetus, was once a slave. Yet he taught something powerful. It's not what happens to you that hurts you. It's how you think about it. That idea changes everything. Imagine two people losing their job. One person panics and gives up. The other stays calm, learns from the moment, and starts again. The situation is the same, but the mindset is different. Stoicism teaches you to train your mind like a muscle. When something bad happens, pause. Take a breath. Ask yourself, is this in my control? If the answer is no, don't waste your energy fighting it. If the answer is yes, take action. This simple habit removes a lot of stress from your life. Another Stoic idea is this: expect challenges. Many people get upset when life becomes difficult, but Stoics expect problems. They know life will bring hard moments. So when challenges appear, they don't panic. They say, this is part of the training. The Roman thinker Seneca once wrote that difficulty shows us what we are capable of. Think about the strongest people you know. Most of them didn't grow through comfort. They grew through challenges. Stoicism also teaches something very important in modern life. Don't chase approval. Today, many people depend on likes, opinions, and validation from others. But Stoics believed your worth should come from your character, not from other people's opinions. You don't need everyone to like you. You need to live with honesty, discipline, and courage. Another powerful Stoic habit is daily reflection. At the end of the day, ask yourself 3 simple questions. What did I do well today? What mistake did I make? What can I improve tomorrow? This small habit slowly builds wisdom and self-awareness. Stoicism also reminds us that time is limited. We often live as if we have unlimited time. But Stoics believe remembering life is short helps us focus on what truly matters. Less distraction, less anger, more purpose. When you realize time is precious, you stop wasting it on things that don't matter. And here's one of the most powerful Stoic ideas. You don't control how long you live, but you do control how well you live. A Stoic life is not about avoiding emotion. It's about mastering your response. You still feel joy. You still feel sadness. You still feel anger. But you don't let those feelings control your actions. Instead, you choose reason. You choose calm. You choose discipline. In modern life, this mindset is a huge advantage. When others panic, you stay calm. When others complain, you focus on solutions. When others quit, you keep moving forward. That's the Stoic edge. So if you want to start living like a Stoic today, remember these 3 simple rules. Control what you can, accept what you can't, and improve yourself every single day. Follow these ideas and you'll start building something powerful, a calm mind, a strong character, and a life that no challenge can easily break.